SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off pop-up blocker on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like your iPhone to stop blocking pop-ups so that you can visit a specific page and see content that's trying to be served as a pop-up, then you need to change a Safari setting. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Safari option. And then you just need to scroll down again, and you can tap the button to the right of block pop-ups to turn it off. Now when you go to a web page that's trying to serve a pop-up, you'll see that page appear. If you're already on the page where you need to see the pop-up, then you can just tap the reload button to get that page to load again and retrigger the pop-up.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.